ahead.
I love Rotary because it allowed me to travel to another country for a year.
All the time to make funny stuff.
I joined Early Birds Rotary 2+ years ago. I've loved every minute of it, primarily because of the people. Secondarily is working within the community.
Well, we started this Rotary Club, Newberg Early Birds, about 18 years ago because of the camaraderie and the love and the friendship that has been created. Is why I continue with Rotary.
I love Rotary because it brings us together.